Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a delicious and mouth-watering chicken curry just the way I like it. Let's see how I prepare this special fried chicken recipe. First, take 500 gram of well cleaned chicken. Add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, salt to taste, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix everything thoroughly and let the chicken marinate for about 15 minutes. Next, let's make our special curry powder. This spice mix is the secret to the amazing flavor. Place a pan on the stove and 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, and some curry leaves. Roast this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once roasted, grind them into a powder. It should look like this. Now let's cook the chicken. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan and add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Then add half a cup of garlic, 1 tablespoon of ginger, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves and piece of mace. Add some curry leaves and saute until everything turns a beautiful golden brown. Now add the marinated chicken. Stir it well in the oil and let it fry for a bit. Cover and cook for about 15 minutes on medium heat. Don't forget to stir it occasionally. After 15 minutes, now add 1 tablespoon of chili flakes and the special spice powder we prepared earlier. Mix it all together. Finally, add 1 cup of chopped onion. Stir well, cover and cook for about 5 minutes. Cover and cook again 3 to 4 minutes. Notice that we didn't add any water, tamarind or tomatoes, but the chicken is perfectly tender and juicy. Our chicken curry is now ready. The best part is you can keep this for several days even without a refrigerator. Try this at home and let me know how it tastes. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon with another recipe. Bye. Have a wonderful day.